Hello, biology adventurers. This is a short video to walk you through Schoology and hopefully help you out so that you can function here really well. You'll notice that on the opening page that you'll find three main folders: course information, assignments, and course documents. You will also find a link to your biology textbook. Don't forget to use your O'Dowd email address as your username and Dragons9500 for the password in order to get in to use the textbook. And you should be using it this semester. Let's take a look at course information. You'll notice a couple of things here. One is the scavenger hunt, which hopefully you have already begun. You also have copies of things that you may need in order to check out information throughout the semester. So for instance, the adventure guidelines, or otherwise known as course information, is where you might find, well, what the breakdown is for grades, or what to do if you are late on an assignment, or what to do if you are going to be absent. Frequently asked questions are in fact things that have actually occurred quite a bit to adventurers, so I wrote them up in a separate document just so that you can be wary of those. You'll notice some other things here as well. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see information on tables and graphs, and those are good for you to take a look at every time you turn in a table or a graph, since you will be expected to do those really well. You'll also see documents that I've already given you, such as the information on the very first day, and also information about writing reading notes, which you have due on the second day. So let's pop back to the main page, and you'll see that under the assignments folder will be actually assignment sheets. I call them adventure activities sheets. So I'll click on this one and load it, and you'll see that this assignment sheet goes for about 2 weeks, and I'd say that that's usually the minimum. So the reason for this worksheet is to help you to work ahead. I have found that every student and adventurer who relies only on Schoology gets into a lot of trouble, because Schoology tends to remind you about anything that is due only the night before. You can certainly look further, but most people do not. So if you can get a calendar like this, print it for yourself every 2 weeks or more, sometimes they are for a month, that you might be able to help yourself out to work forward a little bit and then scratch things out as you go. You'll notice a couple of things, however, on this sheet. One is that it says homework tonight or before, and again, that's to encourage you to work ahead. You'll also see what is due today. This is the definitive document. I will be posting on Schoology, but you should check here. Everything that is absolutely correct is going to be on this sheet. You will also find a hard copy of that sheet posted in room 210, so you can always check it out there as well. Lastly, you'll notice a folder called Course Documents. Course Documents will have actually where you'll spend most of your time when you are on Schoology. You'll notice that there will be folders, and these will have things available to you according to what those topics are. So if you wanted to know more about the animal project, the general information sheet is here that you should have gotten last semester. There's also some information on how to handle your portfolio here in case you forget how to do that. There will be lots more posted here as well. When we go back, though, you'll notice that there is a unit folder on digestion. That's going to be the first unit that we attack for animal systems, and there are some handouts here that will help you. I will definitely give you those handouts during class, but if you are absent or if you misplace yours, this is a good place to get it. So that's kind of our walkthrough of Schoology. Feel free to come back here and look anytime. I also do post updates once in a while on Schoology, and you should make sure that you check Schoology and your email frequently so that you are on top of things. Thanks a lot.